It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 10th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Good morning. We are here live, and the rest of the day looking pretty nice around here. Clouds are increasing, and there is a small chance we could see a shower tonight, but really rain chances are not looking very good for this part of the state. The rest of the week is looking dry with fairly seasonal temperatures. And then we go into a little bit more uncertainty as we head into the weekend. It was looking like a pretty wet end of the weekend, the Saturday night through maybe Sunday, even into Monday timeframe. And now, kind of a question mark there. So we'll talk about all of that and everything else, too, as we get out there and discuss. First, checking that almanac from yesterday, 69 degrees, the afternoon high. 47 was the morning low. Normal high, 67, normal low, 45. Record high, 84, record low, 24. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 10:34 a.m., we've got 55 degrees under partly sunny sky out there. Dew point at 38, humidity 52%, light wind barometer is steady. The upper level weather pattern around the nation features a trough coming into the southwest, starting to actually go negative tilt as it does. And yes, we're seeing quite a bit of snow across the Sierra, and they are just getting hammered with rain and snow once again for California, moving into the Great Basin, parts of Nevada. And that system is going to just brush by Arizona. The northern part of the state could see some rain and snow with this, but around here, only a slight chance we'll see anything out of that feature. The watch warning map, we've got wind advisories across northwest Arizona up into the Mojave Desert. We've got plenty of winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, some flood watches across California, the Great Basin, the Sierra, all of that. East of us, some red flag warnings over parts of the Texas Panhandle, some of the adjacent areas, dense fog advisories and air quality alerts across Minnesota. Rather stagnant conditions up there with some melting snow and fine particulate matter being trapped near the surface, especially around Minneapolis, St. Paul, so be aware of that. Convective outlook for today, and how about a marginal risk not only for the California coast, which is unusual enough, but also across parts of southern Nevada and some of the adjacent areas. And yes, that does include the Las Vegas area, and it does clip the northwestern part of the state. And any thunderstorm activity would be capable of producing some strong, damaging straight-line winds. This system does have a lot of wind with it, and that could mix down near the surface with any thunderstorms. So that's why you see that marginal risk for places like Kingman up toward the Grand Canyon, Golden Valley. So if you're up in northwest Arizona, do be aware of that if you're heading up the 93 toward Vegas, the Hoover Dam, or west from Flagstaff on I-40 toward Kingman up around the Northwest Plateau. Certainly a few strong storms can't be completely ruled out today. Not a really major threat, but a threat nonetheless. All right, here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and you'll notice the numbers have really come down here on this WPC forecast. Now, rain amounts in Phoenix about 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch, a bit more up north. And the reason for that, we're just in quite an uncertain period. And we'll talk about what's going on with this forecast in more detail right now as we get to the models, take a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run. This is valid 2 o'clock or 5 o'clock this afternoon, rather. And then we've got this trough kind of going negative tilt here across the southwest, another more substantial low out across the northeast Pacific. And what it means for us down to the surface today, a partly sunny sky for the rest of the day, and high temperatures should get to a couple of degrees either side of 70. Some of our guidance actually tries to get us a little bit warmer than that, but whatever the case, a pretty nice day. And then tonight, a slight chance we could see a shower in here, and most of the rain will be confined north of us, and the snow as well for the higher terrain. But there is that small chance, a 20% chance of rain. Overnight lows tonight should mainly be in the 40s. And then tomorrow, a mostly sunny but cooler day following the passage of that system. High temperatures in the low to mid 60s. But warmer weather returns for Thursday. Highs getting toward the mid and upper 60s with partly to mostly sunny sky. Friday could see some more rain for California and up into the Pacific Northwest. Some mountain snow around here. Just a beautiful day. Pretty close to 70. And really even on Saturday, not looking too bad. Highs around 70 with an increase in clouds coming in here. A mostly cloudy day with a lot of mid and high level clouds. And again, rain and snow for California. But what was looking like a fairly wet system for us now, it looks like this feature is going to take a more flat approach. This is going to be a less dynamic system. Still negative height anomalies associated with it. And this is Sunday morning coming off the GFS, and it still shows some scattered showers around. So we'll put the forecast here. We'll set the rain chances at about 50% for Sunday morning. Saturday night, there could be some showers late. Sunday morning, maybe through the day on Sunday. Scattered showers right now is how it looks. But model trends are going a bit drier. Now, that's not all of our models. Some of our ensemble guidance still shows a pretty wet day here Sunday. And so we have a lot of time to fine-tune this forecast, but that is the trend. And these model trends, more often than not, seem to be coming to fruition. So we'll watch this pattern very carefully. If it does turn out to be a higher amplitude pattern, then yes, this system would probably start to phase out a bit as it comes our way. For now, the bottom line is Sunday, a chance of showers, and high temperatures fall back into the upper 50s to middle 60s. Now, here is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And so the festivities, parades, and whatnot around town, outdoor activities, there's still a chance we could see some showers. It is an unsettled, albeit marginally unsettled pattern. So a few showers, probably not a washout though, and high temperatures, again, upper 50s to low 60s. Nothing really out of bounds for mid-January around here. And some snow up north too. Now here's a week from today, Tuesday the 17th. We've got that system beginning to lift on out. Another system over the Pacific Northwest coming on down the West Coast. But it appears that these features will mostly stay north of us. Still, could see a brush by of some showers. This is going out 10 days, Thursday the 19th, and now the flow turns more zonal around here, and that looks dry and relatively mild. Easy for me to say. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix off the European ensemble. This goes out through the 24th of the month. And the ensemble mean is still up around an inch. And you've got a wide array of solutions here. Some members show very little rain. Some are up there way between 1 and 2 inches plus. So there are a number of different solutions and outcomes here. That just reflects forecast uncertainty. And then temperatures off the national blend of models. Hey, not bad. I mean, look, we're not going to see any signs of a freeze anytime soon. It could get rather cool on Wednesday night, Thursday morning, with lows in the cool spots down in the mid and upper 30s, but no sign of any freezes, major Arctic outbreaks, no heat waves either. So highs relatively close to where they should be here in mid to late January. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning, and should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only sweetest of all time. She is the Asian sensation, my Michelle. She is our quality champion. Right. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe and have yourselves a beautiful Tuesday.